Oh. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Guess what?
What?
I fixed the ductless air conditioning.
What
What did I do? Fill the bedroom. Ice cold. Shut the door.
What'd you do?
On the side, I took out the like the little thing, and then I plugged it back in. Or after 15 minutes, I came in here, checked on cats, came in here, and then I plugged it back in, and then it was like, and then it turned back on. There you go.
All right, nice. We'll see how long it takes. Good job.